Using TradeStation with TradingView allows you to execute trades directly from TradingView's charts, combining TradeStation's brokerage with TradingView's powerful charting tools. Here's how to set it up and use it. Sign up with TradeStation. Create a TradeStation account. Visit TradeStation's website to sign up, provide your personal details, and fund your account. Sign up or log into TradingView. Go to TradingView. Visit TradingView and either create a free account or log in if you already have one. Access the charting platform. Once logged in, navigate to the charting interface where you will be able to view real-time price charts of different assets. Connect TradeStation to TradingView. Broker integration. On TradingView's chart interface, click on Trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Select TradeStation. From the list of available brokers, choose TradeStation. Log in. Use your TradeStation credentials to connect your account with TradingView. Placing trades. Execute trades from charts. Once connected, you can place buy and sell orders directly from the TradingView charts by right-clicking on the chart or using the order panel. Monitor and manage. Track your open positions, modify orders, and view account balances from within TradingView.